Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create scrolling text in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all, I'm going to add text to this design. I'm going to select the text option, and then I'm going to add a heading. Then for example, I'm going to type in scrolling text like this guys. Okay, and you will be able to change the font if you want. I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to duplicate this page. We can tap on the page and then right click on it and then select duplicate page. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my first page and place the text right here on the left side. And on the second page, I'm going to place the text on the right side. Okay, and we're going to add transition. You can click on add transition right here, and then you're going to select match and move. Okay, and this is the result guys. You can change the duration if you want. I'm using 5 seconds, and as you can see that the scrolling text effect has been created. And wait, I'm going to decrease the duration. Okay, like this. Alright, and you will be able to customize the duration of the transition as well. Go to the section. Okay, then you can choose the duration that you like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling text in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!